Hey, in this video, we'll talk about setting up your loyalty program. So with your E-Series and R-Series setup, there's only one platform that we can use. Luckily, it's the best one out there. It's Marsello. Marsello is a third-party platform that is an official partner of EasyShop and Lightspeed that will enable you to set up an omni-channel loyalty program for your customers. So how do we get started? The first step is just to reach out to Marsello, create an account, select the plan, and then when you log in, you go in settings, users, and you add EasyShop advertising at easyshop.ca as the admin with you so we can help you get set up. Then the next step is to set up your integrations. Let's say you're using Ecwid and R-Series. Then you just need to click on integrations, platforms, and you select your ecom and your POS. You simply connect, log into your accounts, and click enable, and you'll be able to link your platforms with Marsello's. When that's done, the data will start to flow from your POS, from your ecom to Marsello, and it will match the customers based on the email. So you'll be able to reward those customers and based on the email with multiple rewards. And this is what we'll talk about next. Here, this is where you can see the rewards and set up the rewards for your customers. So you click on loyalty and you have many options. Not gonna go over everything. Marsello has a lot of documentations on that. But as an overview, if you click on rewards program, you click on reward, you see you have your rewards list and you can create all types of rewards for your customers based on certain actions. Let's say they sign up to your newsletter or they spend a certain amount in your store. You can create specific discounts, free stuff to keep your customers engaged and loyal. So this is where you set that up. And then if you click on customers, you'll see all your omni-channels customers. So all your customers from all platforms, you'll be able to see right here how much they spent with you, what are the points they collected, what's their point balance, and when is the last time that they make a purchase. So you'll be able to manage all your customers right here and see which ones are the most active. So that was just a small overview of the Marsello platform. That's the one that I recommend and is the only one for Ecwid plus R-Series. So if you want to have more details on the features that Marsello offers, I suggest reaching out to them or looking at their documentation online where they discuss all their different programs that you can create for your customers. If you have problems setting up the integrations with your sales channel, you can reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you and guide you. But with this video, all the steps should be there and you should be able to set that up on your own.